I just got. Don't mind the mess, it was clearly Prime Day. And I've been getting some Christmas decorations out of the shed. So it's a little bit of a mess in here, but I did vacuum last night. Now I do have 2 kids and 2 long-haired kitty cats. So I'm going to show the difference. I'm going to run the vacuum through right now. A little bit of fur from their battle royale last night. And then I'm going to run the new vacuum through. Definitely picked up a lot of stuff that the old one missed. With a lot of kitty hair. I don't know if you are able to see that very well. But there's another setting for like thick carpet. What's it say? Yep, thick carpet, area rug. Let's try that setting. And wow, yeah, I definitely picked up a lot more. See if I can get it to focus. A lot more. So definitely happy with this buy. I don't see any hair wrap. Like I definitely have an issue with my old shark with the hair wrap problem. I have to cut it off all the time. Because me and my 2 daughters have very long hair. But I don't see any hair wrap issue on this one. So far, very satisfied with this purchase.
Come check out the Shark Vertex DuoClean PowerFins powered lift-away vacuum. This is such an exciting thing for us to have, as I had a vacuum before that was from Costco that we had for several years and it died. And along with that, I didn't realize how poor of a vacuum it actually was. I know Shark has been around for a long time, and I didn't know just how much I was missing out until we purchased this product to replace our vacuum that sadly bit the dust. So here are all the pieces. It's very easy to put together and assemble. Everything just snaps into place. You don't really even have to follow the instructions. It's pretty intuitive. And bam, it's together. And it has a really soft front brush roll. Plugged it in, and it has different settings for different types of carpet: hard floor carpet, plush, or not so plush. And then it has maneuverability and LED headlights, which are great for spaces that are dark. And the suction is amazing. We just had our carpets replaced, and this is the first pass of just the extra fluff. And it's really nice because now baseboard cleaning doesn't have to be backbreaking. And you can easily remove the pod. It's detachable to clean under furniture. If you have stairs, you can definitely do that and detach it from the base. And it's just so nice to be able to have several different options. And as I said before, the LED headlights are nice for spaces that aren't lit, so you can actually see what you're doing in vacuuming. And it is just wonderful. As you can see, it is very tall. It comes up to my chest. I'm 5'4". It comes up to my chest. I didn't expect it to be so tall, as it looked little in all the pictures. And my kids absolutely love it too. We all love new mom toys, right? and we're just so grateful to have this and to be able to keep our home even cleaner. I was honestly surprised at the first pass on our rug in our front room. It picked up so much of our dog hair that my other vacuum wasn't even getting to. It has a HEPA filter and it empties very easily, like it should, unlike other vacuums say. And they say just go ahead and clean the filter out once a month. So take it out, rinse it out, wash it out, and then set it to dry, and then you're good to go to keep vacuuming. We love this product, and we're just so excited to share our review with you.
This isn't a practice video, so you have to deal with me trying to do this. This machine is pretty nice, really nice actually. And the biggest thing that it comes with this little flat upholstery tool thing here, and this crevice tool. The one thing I want to show is this device here, this upholstery cleaner. This thing here. I don't have but 2 hands here. When I turn this on, you listen to this thing take off. I was scared to get near the furniture with it because I've had these things before on other machines, but not a Shark one in it. Certainly doesn't sound like the jet engine. It's going to get loud, so I'm not going to talk. Here it goes. All right, let's see. Now listen to this take off. This thing is crazy taking off. That's turbo mode. That is so wicked. I love this. I'm so glad I got this thing. That's cool. Folks, I think you love this. This vacuum sucks, but in so many good ways. I hope Shark appreciates this, because I appreciate them making a decent device. Thanks.
That's how good it friggin' picks up. Perfect. All that is sailing. This is big.
Gonna post it.
This is completely seized up. This does not come off. So you have to sit here. This is a huge design flaw. Dig this out with tweezers. I've had this for less than 2 months, and I vacuum very infrequently.
See right there where it's gross? Yeah. That's crazy.
What are you doing? On that day, I was obviously wanted. They've been to my mum's house.